Nobody in anywhere you can go got this much material left.
YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Wavy. You already know this is my channel, Mr. Orchard Beach. If you're new to the channel, you haven't hit that subscribe button yet, hit that subscribe button, like, comment, all the above. So this video right here is gonna be about the Jordan 3 Chlorophyll joints.
But has it right here with me now?
But this joint is gonna be a what would I rock? So that's what we're gonna do throughout the day. And I'm finally gonna stop procrastinating. We got another spot we about to hit. Well, anyway, let me just jump forward. We looking for that damn desk today.
Congratulations! Congratulations, mother!
Right now, I'm almost on my X block, and I gotta go to the ATM. Then throw some eggs at her door now. But yeah, I gotta go to the ATM. I got my whip down there, getting the oil change, you know, priorities. Make sure that maintenance always good on that whip, always a priority. But anyway, man, F all that. Y'all gonna kick it with me today, like I said, throughout the breaks. I'm gonna talk about these Chlorophyll 3s and what you can rock with them. Chill and kill at its finest. Y'all know what a chill and kill is, right?
No, sorry.
But anyway, man, let me get up in here. Follow me.
I went from corners to soners, from marijuana and coronas to boning the mamas in Daytona on our way to Jonas. We be back. PD crack, songwriter, performer, entertainer. I can't explain what happened to my persona. Margarita, margarita, remind me of Maria. Sweeter than a swisher, make a nigga want eat her. Bitch just got 6'6" Beamer. I'm shotgun leaning, steaming the stick of reefer. Whoa, Pedro, you got the money, I got the yayo. Shit smell funny, I tell your ass a new A-hole. I went to AC, trying to flip this bankroll.
Open up the door. And in and out of Home Depot like a robbery. Yo, they ain't even got computer desks in there. That's crazy. Home Depot, like what the hell? So anyway, enough of the tomfoolery. Tell me them views back there ain't popping though. So Home Depot, only online they have desks, as well as Target, only online. Damn, they talking about Best Buy. I ain't see nothing online too tough on Best Buy. I can see they shit being like, I don't know. We're gonna go in there and check. But anyway, man, for all that, y'all know what y'all here for. We talking about them chlorophylls and what I would rock with these joints. Like I said, these are chill and kill right here. If you're not used to chilling and killing, then these are not for you. Get them when they're like more like on sale or something, if you do want them, and you're not gonna rock them right away. But these are chill and kill at best. It ain't like you came and just shut it down, unless you get the tabs, that Jumpman tab, get that pulled off, get somebody to customize the Nike Air joint in that chlorophyll colorway or gray, whatever. Then, you know what I'm saying, now you cooking with Crisco. But anyway, yo, starting off, we're gonna go with pants, like jeans. And if I'm talking sweats or joggers, go ahead and just think that I'm talking about the hoodie too. So with the pants, like jeans, I go light, gray, black, of course. I've never done like a dark blue yet. I haven't. And the only reason is because my chlorophylls, the Air Trainers, they're half size too small. So I don't really rock them like that. You know, I need the little socks. You know what I'm saying? If you're gonna do joggers or something, gray, black. I like the gray with some black in it, like kind of like the tech joints. That looks cool, breaking it up. Camel joggers. I would also do the olive, for real. When I rock these, it's all about just comfort and I'm chilling. I can see these sneaks being like a go-to that I would like to wear a lot, because I do love that chlorophyll colorway. I wish my Air Trainers were half size big. I could rock them joints better, or rock them joints more, my bad. When we get back, we'll talk about shirts and fitted. Step up in this Best Buy right quick, man. Follow me out. So there's no desk here either, man. They gotta order these shits. Boy, I want to see my joint first, you know? Like, damn. Hey, I am looking for another TV soon. I just got questions. Can the desk that the TV sits on, whatever, can it be smaller than the TV? Let me know. I think my joint longer than this. Pause. And this is 75, so I think I might be good. Shout out to Slim9 Dime. Check out his channel. That's my homie. He told me that, is this true that, I mean, I know Black Friday and stuff, but around Super Bowl time, that's when the TVs are cheaper.
How did you come to find out about all these interesting developments?
I don't really know about TVs like that. He was telling me about the Q7. So, I guess that's what I'm looking for. And I rocks with Best Buy because, you know, they got that same as cash for like 24 months. Slow roll it. You know what I'm saying? You get your little $100 a month. You know what I'm saying? Word. But now I want that and a soundbar.
I'll check you out.
You know, they're just like a robbery. Came in there just to get some damn batteries. This desk thing is gonna be on hold again. Boy, I've had this damn iMac for 30 days and I still ain't unboxed it. Even my mother's like,
who gave this to you? Huh? Look, stop talking about my money, all right?
Up in this bullshit ass Marshalls. I never find nothing fly up in none of the Marshalls here or out there on Broadway. But yo, I'm surprised they got this Knicks joint for 24 bucks. You can't go wrong. Original price $100. I just gotta try it on though. They only got extra large and small.
In this modern day time, this is unacceptable. This much extra material. Look at this up the head, dog. This is North Rockland game, dog.
So they're gonna have to do something with these. Alright, and they're just like a robbery. Well, not really a robbery. Man. Alright, finally that Marshalls has some shit. But the only reason I didn't do a whole bunch of vlogging in there is because that's not what this video's about. This video's about what I rock with the damn Chlorophyll 3. So anyway, moving up the tops. Any joggers that I was talking about, just automatically put the hoodie in there. But Effectus Clothing, use my discount code WAVY, save 25%. They got 3 tees. I wish they would have came with like a hoodie or something, but I can understand why not, because it's not gonna be a sought after sneak like that. I was kind of stumped with this one because I was like, damn, but then I just started thinking, I was like, what did I rock with the Chlorophyll, the Air Trainers?
Fubu.
What would I rock?
Fubu.
And what have I rocked?
I don't know.
If we talking jerseys, I would do the Chicago White Sox jersey. I would probably be inclined to look for one now or coming up. Only reason I'm not gonna go get like ahead of myself right here. Only reason I copped that Knicks joint was because 24 bucks, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, Chicago White Sox, a Raiders jersey, the black joint. I was kind of thinking like would Green Bay Packers, would that work? The Raiders starter jacket, throw that gray hoodie on underneath that joint, gray jeans, gray joggers, and then break up the monotony with like a tee underneath. Like I said, a chill and kill. If you're not used to chilling and killing, yeah, stay sleep on these. Pass on these. I feel you.
Pause.
Dudes ain't really gonna like give you the mad props like if you came out in all Supreme. So yeah, I'll stick to that high price shit. Make that, you know what I'm saying, boost that self-esteem up. Hell yeah. Chilling and killing, for me, that boosts my self-esteem because I'd be like, $24 on the little jersey. Same results. You know what I'm saying? Well, not the same results as the, you know, but same results for me. But anyway, yo, I'm about to go get something to eat, man. Today's been kind of like a wash for me because I didn't get what I wanted to get. I wanted to get this damn desk. But, man, whatever. I ain't gonna complain. Oh, snap. I got a package to unbox too, man. So, yo, just follow me. We'll unbox this package when we get to the other spot. I'm gonna go to Bronx Ale House. Yeah, Ale House. And when we get back, we're gonna continue with like fitted, snapbacks, hell, beanies in this case, you know what I'm saying? So, yeah, like I said, follow me out. Alright, yo, about to step up in this ale house. There's some stuff I forgot about. And then when we get back, we'll do that unboxing and get y'all up out of here. Jean jackets, I like them. It just depends on the hue. I like them with that too. Due to the fact it's a little cold, throw that hoodie on underneath. So you got like the little jean fit, throw a tee on, hoodie, let it be seen. You be alright.
Tough, right?
Alright, so get up in here, get my Bloody Mary. Get something to eat. I don't feel like no wings today though, but anyway, after we get up out of here, like I said, we'll be back, talk about the fitters, the caps and all that. Get y'all up out of here. And anything that I forgot, I'll remember in here. But anyway, yo, enjoy. You're not there just like a robbery, but nah, yo, that food was good. Yo, shout out to the homie. I mean.
Hey, what?
All right, so anyway, finishing off this What Would I Rock? I saw a couple more joints when I was up inside the bar. I got to sit down and chill for a bit. One sweatsuit that I could say off rip, the Vandalay joint. That OG, that joint is tough. That joint's pretty tough. You get that, you can't go wrong. Especially on a chill and kill, you cannot go wrong. Throw a vest over that if it's kind of cold. You're good. I'm sorry that I'm yelling, but I get real passionate about this type of shit. But anyway, yeah. What I would do, me, and when I'm speaking of these hoodies and stuff, 8 and 9, they got one. So if you want to go the Vandalay route, go 8 and 9 route. Use my discount code WAVY, say 25%, my bad. So how I rocked it was, I had the sweatsuit, then I threw on a damn camo vest. For fitteds, you go with a Raiders joint. I haven't seen any that pinpoint, like hit right there. Like, I don't know. If you've seen any, let us know. Like I said, leave the comments down below. Each one teach one. This ain't about me. Style starts with you, you know? I like to rock my Grand Concourse cap with that. I like to keep it black. I like the brim to be underneath. I like it to be green. Gray will work too, but I like a black cap for starters. Another joint, the Chicago White Sox, if you was gonna get the jersey. And then especially in the summertime, how I think I will pump it, socks fitted, side patch, or the snapback. Get the jersey, get some gray shorts. You know what I'm saying? We on one. So yeah, that's what I would do, man. Check this out. You want me to keep continuing and doing these What Would I Rocks? I think I'm going to. Give me 300 likes on this joint. This vid right here, give me 300 likes.
Oh no.
This is how I like to do these What Would I Rocks for now, I think. I'm gonna see if I do it in vlog format and break it up. We'll see. But anyway, like I said, I am gonna cop. Let me know if y'all gonna cop this joint. Let me know how y'all gonna rock these joints. Like, I probably I fell short probably on the jerseys, but I'm just visioning how I used to do it. And I don't want to just put that used to, but everything comes around full circle. Don't get it twisted. You know what I'm saying? The shit just gets more fitted, you know? But anyway, man, I'm about to get up out of here. No, I'm not. No, I'm not. Let me do this unboxing. It's raining out here, but I rocks with y'all.
That player M.O.E. rolling with time.
But I'll be mobbing like a mother.
Watch your mouth.
With my father third. But now it look like when he come out, man, I'm going in.
The studio with Tone, man, I wish I could stay. I got to holler at Master D, cause we got money to make.
You ain't never seen how a empty room is so clean.
Riding dirty. Remember that? But anyway, yo, about to get y'all up out of here. Let me just show y'all these the pickups that I got. First on with Marshalls, not the dressy pickups, because that's for work.
This monkey ass ain't worked a hard day in his life.
I went in and got the Knicks joint. Hell yeah. It retailed at $100, but I paid $24. Take that. You had to, boy, you're a Knicks fan, you gotta get this. Like, and for $24?
Yeah, you'd want to.
But anyway, got this packaging from 89 Clothing. Use my discount code WAVY, save 25%. I definitely hope y'all can see me. If not, my bad. But yo, so first off, got this tee. Shout out to 89, shout out to Figs 89, you already know. Then got that Pablo joint, Snow Patron. It's always on the block. Vice City Magic 89, Fast Money joint. Next up, I had to get this. This is a classic joint. I had to get this, and it's a medium, so hopefully I can't fit this. I do know when I would rock it, because yes, this is a medium and it's small. I'm gonna rock it in the DR. Prime Pays, Raptors colorway. You can rock this with the Raptor 4s, but I'm gonna rock it with the DMP joints. These are the joints I wanted right here. Shout out to Nori. Damn. Got that Nori, that 5E joint. Shout out to all the homies on the 5th floor. This is the track listing right here. Yeah. I don't know, man. Nori used to be my favorite rapper back when I was in high school. Nori was my favorite rapper. I still respect him. I still fuck with Nori. Hell yeah. Classic joint, CNN, all that. But yeah, and I'm loving what he's doing on the podcast scene. This is the 5E cover. Lil Nori, his father, Mambo. Once again, shout out to 89 family. Shout out to Figs 89. Don't forget, use my discount code WAVY, save 25%. Anyway, I'm about to get y'all out of here. Get y'all F out of here. Word. Enjoy y'all weekend. Let me know if y'all copping these joints. Let me know how y'all gonna rock these joints. Let me get 300 likes on this. Follow me on that Snap. Follow me on that IG. Follow me on that Twitter. That Twitter be. But that Snups.
Nasty.
It's your boy Wavy. You already know this is my channel, Mr. Orchard Beach, like I always like to say. See you when I see you. Out.